Hey guys, what's up? It's your man Xander here. And this time, we're going back over to my friend's house. I got my selfie stick on, so now you can see me. What's up? Anyway, that was my face, by the way. If you didn't know that, and of course you knew that. So, that's my other friend's house over there. Yes. Car just passed. Go cars. Love cars. You like nature? Don't you guys just love nature? I like nature. It's really fun. I like nature a lot. I pulled a muscle a couple days ago, and yeah, it hasn't got any better. There's a leaf. And you can remember this guy's house once again. If he's home, we are going to play some Black Ops 2. Yay. Don't that sound like fun, guys? I think it sounds like fun. I gotta climb. Zoom into the doorknob. It's pretty hot out here. Oh, and I'm in Alabama. As you can see, the sun's blazing freaking hot. Let's go see if he's home. We're knocking the door. I need to see if his cars are here. Those blocks right there, we scaled from the porch all the way down to there and then back. We had to touch the bush. As you can see, he's not here. So we might go over there. I don't know. Next video, we could go over there. Alright, just next video, we're gonna go over there. And to end the video, we see nature!